Sa kabila ng malakas na ulan ngayong Hulyo Gis, dinagsa pa rin ng mga engaged couples at wedding planners ang Bridal Expo Baguio na ginanap sa Newtown Convention Center. Isa si Christian sa mga wedding host na nakibahagi sa expo upang ipakilala ang kanyang serbisyo sa mga naghahanap ng host para sa kanilang espesyal na araw.
This is the second time that I've joined the Baguio Bridal Fair 2026, and it's always a great experience seeing future newlyweds, no?
Kasama rin sa mga exhibitor si Ompong Palma na ipinakilala ang kanilang hotel bilang isa sa mga wedding at events destination sa Baguio.
All right. Well, Wright Park Hotel being a new hotel, we wanted to make sure that we are properly exposed and we joined trade groups and fairs. And so this is one that we had identified and we wanted to support it. We also wanted to be part of it because we are also part of the community here in Baguio, and a lot of Baguio hotels and vendors are part of this. We wanted to be part of that as well.
Ayon sa mga organizer, tuloy-tuloy ang pagdagsa ng mga inquiries at booking mula sa mga couples na nagplaplanong magpakasal sa Baguio.
2-in-1 Bridal Expo Baguio!
This is Bridal Expo Baguio happening from today, July 10 until July 12. We have a lot of exhibitors right now. We have a lot of live demonstration like makeup artists. We have a lot of interactive glam booths that you can experience here para sa mga events po ninyo. So very much welcome po ang lahat. Of course, I'm very confident to say that Baguio is still or one of the most competitive, if not the best, competitive place where you can have your events, especially your weddings, because of the quality of the suppliers that we have here and very competitive rates that we have.
Sinabi naman ni Jonard na mahigit 200 wedding suppliers ang lumahok sa 3 araw na expo. Tampok dito ang iba't ibang wedding essentials tulad ng wedding gowns, cakes, makeup artists, photographers, videographers, event stylists, caterers at iba pang serbisyo na kailangan sa isang kasal.
It's actually overwhelming with the number of the suppliers who are participating right now. We have more than 200 suppliers packed over 120 exhibit spaces. What's new about the Bridal Expo Baguio this year is that meron tayong mga bagong trends na ino-offer ng ating mga suppliers, may it be in makeup trends, meron din tayo sa fashion, meron din tayo sa event coordination, and even sa planning. Even sa mga programs na ginagawa para sa mga wedding receptions nila, may mga bago rin.
Ang Bridal Expo Baguio ay 3 araw na event na isinasagawa mula July 10 hanggang 12 na naglalayong pagsamasamahin sa iisang lugar ang mga wedding suppliers at mga magkasintahang naghahanap ng pinakamagagandang serbisyo para sa kanilang pinapangarap na kasal. In the heart of changing lives, ako si Brigada Emil Peredo ng 105.1 Brigada News FM Baguio, the Music and News Authority.